friends, let's learn what are reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are words ending in self or selves that are used when the subject and object are the same. Singular, myself. Plural, ourselves. Example, I chose this course myself. We decorated the hall ourselves. Singular is yourself. Plural is yourselves. Example, you wrote the poem yourself. You don't hurt yourselves. Singular, himself. Plural, themselves. Example, he planted a tree himself. They arranged the party themselves. Singular, herself. Plural, themselves. Example, Sudha designed the saree herself. The workers built the palace themselves. Singular, itself. Plural, themselves. Example, the computer works by itself. So these are reflexive pronouns. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Parnika Sedulog.